Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'm a new car show and we're going to be seeing a couple of trains on new car show. Seriously now because we're on new car show, we've got 45 minutes to get a couple of trains from the new car show. And after 45 minutes getting a couple of trains from the new car show, we'll be jumping on the train at 10 to 9 from. We'll be jumping on the train at half 9 or 9 o'clock from new car show back skipping in the yellow, we're going to get back skipping in. We can go back to the mission, we're going to go home, get some dinner, get a little bit of bed. I'm not going to be in tomorrow morning, but I'm going tomorrow after 4 o'clock. That means I will get a decent night tomorrow morning and go to the for 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So I hope you guys enjoy a couple today. It'll be next swimming for 45 minutes getting a couple trains from here guys. So I hope you guys enjoy a couple today. I'll see you guys for a couple trains. I'll come for a minute. See me guys. See you in a minute. I have a question. There's a northern train coming in guys. I think I want to show me that I'm going to go now guys. So heck I'm not quite sure guys. Is it all on it? Okay.
Oh, it might be alright, you know. I've not even for another half an hour.
Okay. I do guys, this is a normal train coming in guys, okay? Yeah, Wangy. I think it's one is a Transplant Express guys. Yeah, one is a Transplant Express guys. Yeah, one is tell me that I got new cars guys. And typical guys never going to watch it and then they're trying to leave now guys going to Edinburgh. What is that again? Am I smoking tonight? I'm putting it out, it's an another train service from the coast to Edinburgh guys. So now you want yourself to Edinburgh guys.
You will need to travel in the front 9 coaches of the train. First class accommodation is available on the train.
So here guys, I think guys for a couple of trains coming from the minutes, you make guys in a minute. And putting that it's a northern train service from the coast back to Heaton Depot guys. Now we have to order to the green aid portion because it's a required. So I have to update you guys when I try to do it in a minute. I tell you guys, this is a northern train coming in, guys. Yeah, one's going to platform 4, guys. Yeah, I think yeah, one's coming in around the corner, yeah, guys, yeah. Yeah, one's coming in around the corner, guys. This is our train on it. So here guys, I think I tried a couple of trains coming from me. Here we go. I have guys, this is another train coming in on to platform 2, guys. Yeah, one is going to Edinburgh, guys. So here guys, I think I tried to be going to make it. I tell you guys, this is going to be express train evening, guys. Yeah, one is going to Edinburgh, guys.
York. Chester Street, Durham, Darlington, and York. Short stay car park at the front of the station. Platform 21, 20 service to York. The 21, 26 Northern service to Carlisle via Hexham is delayed. We're sorry that the return will take longer than planned.
Is it delayed? Sorry, guys, my screen was a bit blurry, so just to give it a little web, guys. It's going to be done by 6 million tonight, guys. Yeah, train.
This train has 5 coaches. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Platform 1 of the 21:20 Trans-Pennine Express service to Edinburgh.
So I think this train is going to leave now, guys.
Next bus to depart from the short stay car park at the front of the station will be the 21:20 service to York. Chester Street, Durham.
I think this train's going to be on the first race train, guys.
York. Short stay car park.
I tell you guys, this is a northern train coming in, guys.
21:20 service to York.
I think I want to show me around the corner Hexham, guys. I'm on fire tonight. Yeah, I think this is our train, guys, yeah. I have a guys, this is the enemy of train, guys. Yeah, one is going to Edinburgh, guys. He's a Northern World train coming in now, guys. and then I'll try to get it. There we go. The Edinburgh. So hey guys, I think I found a couple of short coming from the meat, however, I'm only trying to make God dependent. If that's, I'll take I found a couple of short coming from the biggest, you make us immigrant. But I keep you guys updated, guys, okay? So you can make us immigrant. I think so you're right, yeah, I think you're right. So here right now we're going to turn that off, keep it lighting. So here guys, enjoy update guys, we're going to keep it lighting, make guys,
Hello, Tom.
To the YMCA, he used to travel.
You all have to make yourself. Wyland, yeah, it's nice. He gets crushed twice a day and everything. I'm sure he does. It's just absolutely never ending. Dogs on? Yeah. Peter's like. Every now and then, yeah. You'll be looking at this weather though, isn't it? Yes, yeah. He's a winter dog, isn't he?
You getting groomed?
Yeah, I look at it. No, and he gets brushed twice a day. Like with a professional comb on it, but it's just never ending at a minute because it's molting.
Yeah.
You're going to be covered in hairs, you know, yeah.
I'm alright, mate. We lost our dog a few years ago.
Oh, did you? Yeah.
We're always covered.
The next thing in stop is never really been. I've always been into cats, really.
I love cats. Yeah.
I like cats as well. They're cool, aren't they?
Cats are unique.
They're just like that, aren't they? You alright?
Do you know what? His best friend was a cat. We had a cat until last year, and he got hit by a car.
Oh.
And it was such good mates, but the cat was the boss.
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. But so when the cat got hit by a car, seriously, for about a week he knew. There's no doubt about it. He knew, yeah. So he wouldn't eat his food. He didn't want to go for it. Yeah, he could tell, yeah. Yeah, like so. When Marley went, eh?
Marley.
Where's Marley?
Oh, I don't know. Are you right?
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Exactly, yeah.
I'll keep it.
If you miss it, will be alright with it.
I'll keep it now. I'll throw it in the gun. The birds will get it for the nest because the nest.
Yeah, they are, yeah.
If I had a dog like that, another dog, the only dogs I've ever really come in contact with for long periods of time have been pretty intense.
Yes, yeah.
Which is why I've always kind of avoided.
pretty intense as in
Overactive.
Barky
Oh, right, yeah,
in
yeah.
your face.
do you know what, it's funny because usually little dogs are the barky ones, they're in your face sort of dogs, but he's just so he was a bit livelier when he was a bit younger, but now he's sort of, he's chilled out really.
We had a Jack Russell, and he was lovely nature. He loved kids.
Best dog you can get, Jack Russell.
Well, he loved kids, but he hated people walking past the bottom of the drive.
Oh, right.
And he used to bark all the time.
Yeah,
He sort of didn't like cats, but did. If he went up to a cat, he would sniff and roll over and love them. But if he saw them, he would bark. So at the bottom of the drive, this cat was sauntering along the bottom of the drive. And he went mad. Oscar, get down, don't be silly. Absolutely mad. And anyway, he got down, and the cat disappeared, and he was sat looking out the window, big window, about a 20-yard drive. Hello, son. Sorry. And we had this bench underneath the window. And he went mad for about 20 minutes. And this cat had seen him, wasn't bothered. All of a sudden, he was just looking out the window like that. And all of a sudden, this cat got on this bench. He just appeared at the window like that. Hello. Oh my word, I couldn't even.
Is he going berserk?
I was absolutely burlesque.
Yeah.
This cat is in front of him.
Oh, it's funny.
It was quite. I watched it. It was really quite funny. But
Yeah.
I had to take him away.
We're now approaching Mr.
I like your look.
Thank you.
Yeah, pretty sort of like pretty chill, pretty 60s.
Yeah, that's what I was going to go.
Dads do love hugs.
Yeah, yeah, they do.
My sons don't understand that. But they do. Where do you live?
Well, I'm living in London at the moment.
Right?
I live in Deptford. You know Deptford.
Oh, right. I've heard of it. I've not been.
It's a nice place near Peckham. Yeah, that kind of area. But,
What are you doing down there?
well, kind of studying, not really. I've realised I'm not very academic, but I do writing. So work at a pub.
What sort of writing?
Like stream of consciousness, mostly.
Sorry, you lost me there. Sorry.
Yeah, go on, sorry, yeah.
Stream of consciousness.
Stream of
What is this?
consciousness.
It's kind of like write what you feel and write it down straight away and don't think about it too much. See where it goes.
I've got a book.
I'm trying to get published. Yeah. And also I've got some people who I know that can like bind books and print books down in London. So I was going to go into a bookshop and just give them like 10 copies and say, take these if you can sell them for £3 a pop. It'd be amazing.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, it would be.
Yeah. Stream of consciousness. Have you got anything online about it, or?
No.
It sounds really interesting. It's when you said stream of consciousness, straight away I thought of that like the power of being aware rather than being unconscious, because we spend most of our life unconscious, and so when you talk about consciousness, I mean, was it? I can't remember who it was. Said that we're so obsessed with arriving, like that we totally miss the journey.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's it.
Who was it? Was it Eckhart Tolle? It's Eckhart Tolle, like he's a spiritual. And he turned around and he said, when we make a cup of tea, he said, making a cup of tea is no, we're not quite not doing that. Making a cup
Metro
of tea
Centre.
is
Are you alright?
making the tea to drink the tea. It's a means to an end, right? If you can actually, the actual making of a cup of tea is being a means in itself. Something as simple as that. Suddenly everything comes alive. And even this fellow used to he's in Canada now, but he would go to a park bench and spend days just sitting not going home at night, just days on this bench.
Just sit there.
Because he wasn't obsessed with time. So he
Kids
was
don't go for gym.
really
Then they have like
sort him out in the morning. Give her a lion.
that was good.
Oh, sorry. It's just a
Them seats are taken. Let's see, so taken.
How's she gone with couple there? No, what a chance, you want to see it. Give me money again.
See, man. Oh my God, I've just seen it.
That's the trouble of the family.
Thank you.
Come on, you know.
Signature.
I'm just
Okay,
starting to
go through now,
colours
guys.
for the
Go
next
through now.
over 50s.
Yeah, it's basically ground flow. It's moving. It's like it's I'm out with little boys. Trains. That's trains. So I spend a lot of time with trains. I'll look out for you. If it's different, if you like you to move, go online, get your funds on any site or on a website. 50 plus move. It has to be 50. Like our photo, and I'll look out for you. Look at you.
I'm alright, it's alright.
Are you sure? Yeah.
It's air.
It is there, yeah. It is there.
Why are you going to get excited about it?
And how about you? What kind of...
I'm a pro wreck.
Are we getting off now, Dad?
Unlikely.
Are we getting off now, Dad?
Lovely meeting you.
Now, how am I going to get off, Dad? How? Help! Help, Dad! I need you.
Shut down. Go. Go,
I
ready?
need
Go.
your help.
Go. Hey, boom. There you go. Sorted. See you later. See ya.
I want to go quickly. I don't want to toot.
He says, don't toot your horn, please. He doesn't want to toot. No, thank you. Thank you.
I will go right now. Where you can go. Nobody wants to call you to go now. Until you try to do that, until you come home back here when they call you supinating. Now, once you said to my channel,
I hope you enjoyed that cheeky little train ride to walk and back. And we'll be back again on Tuesday.
Okay. So have a good rest. I hope you enjoyed this video. We enjoyed getting a couple of cheeky trips from the cars in there, guys. We've got back into the cars after we've been to mobile, guys. I've enjoyed getting off on the cars. I've enjoyed getting a truck from Blaydon into mobile and mobile back into the cars. Getting a couple of cheeky trips from them back to Blaydon. So now we hope you enjoyed this video. So now I'm going to go home. And we enjoyed getting a couple of cheeky trips from when we got back into the cars and the cars are back shipping in the train. So this is going to be the end of this video. So now I'm going to go home, get some dinner, get sleeping, I'll get night tomorrow morning, get some minutes for 1 o'clock tomorrow, guys. So now I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you haven't seen this video, it's just in the video. So if you haven't seen this video, it's just in the video. I see it on Tuesday as well, guys, okay? Bye, guys.